That's right, you're looking at the cart again, the fishing cart. You notice a piece missing? Yeah, this piece. I took it off. I'm gonna go to Home Depot and see if I can find like some PVC pipe that can fit in there and maybe raise it up so that spinning fishing rod that I have will go in there without hitting the ground. You can get some other types of fishing poles that will fit in these things just perfectly, but I need one for the ugly stick fishing pole that I have. And yeah, let's go to Home Depot. What can I use? That could work. That could work. Oh, that'll work. Sweet. $5.98. Perfect. I need something to cut this though. Let me see what I can find. Somewhere over here. How cool, I had someone come up to me, ask me if they could help me here in Home Depot. Out there in the Flint area. They wouldn't call me for anything, but they actually cut the PVC pipe for me. I got rid of a lot of my tools when I left Michigan. Yeah, that's right, I used to live in Michigan. And I moved over here to Foley, Alabama. Now I'm gonna look for some screws, just for whatever, if I need them. Don't really need them though. Damn, that was crazy. You gotta check out yourself, and then the barcodes aren't even working. Then the girl can't even find it when she looks it up. I'm getting too old. Okay, so now I'm gonna put, actually let's just try it on here. Put that on there. Yeah. It works. Let's get the pole. Here on the messy side of the garage. Okay, let's see. I don't want to poke a hole in the ceiling. Yeah, I better take this outside. Or maybe just push it in more. I'll still take it outside. Outside the garage, that is. Jeez, am I still under the roof? Sweet. Get this one put back down. So now you all tell me, oh, I put that upside down. Alright, not cool. Jeez. I guess I'll flip it back over. Why didn't y'all say something? I knew it was too easy. That's better. Now the question is, which holder do you think I should put it on? Got 7 to choose from. Here's another thought I have. Where is it? My tools are a mess. Which drawer is it? We're gonna get it here in a minute. Not there. There's a bunch of junk. More junk. Junk and a mess. A couple more messes. Got some goof off. Okay. What the heck happened? What I'm looking for is some license plates I have. Where did I put it? I know I got one right there, but I got a few more. Okay, I found them. They were in one of those drawers. I just had to pull the drawer out a little bit farther. All right, so here they are. All I had to do is pull one of those drawers out a little bit more and I would have seen them, but I didn't do that. It's just the way it's going for me. These plates, here's my red F-150 when we were in Washington. Here's Black Betty, my black F-150 in Michigan. And that's Washington, you have to have front and rear plates. So I'm thinking making a floor, just screwing these in. Something or other like that. Or is that hokey dokey? Sweet. Now what I'm going to do is drill a hole up in there. Put another one of these eyelet lag bolts up in there so I can do some flies with the bands. Here we go. Now I should be telling y'all that was easy, but you know what? It kind of sucked. 75.5 inches, both sides. Although for some reason that one looks like it's higher, but I measured it, 75.5 inches. Cool. You'll see me using this here in the future, just not right now. So my question for all of you, do I make a floor in this using these license plates? And the other question again is, which one of these pole holders should I put that extension on? I am going to have fun with this cart, just making it better, doing some mods to it, having some fun. I'm telling you folks, it is warm and humid. I had to go back in the house and put on my sweat hat. What is a sweat hat? That's a sweat hat. I was wearing my Michigan Wolverines hat, but I started sweating just doing that little bit of work I did there. And I don't want to ruin, I've ruined hats here already, so I don't want to ruin any more by sweating in them so bad. And that sun can be brutal. But yeah, I got like 4 or 5 of these different colors, and they're pretty good. The sweat hat only costs like $20 for all of them, so they're easy to wash. They dry quick. Really convenient to have here. Yeah, not much else going on, folks. Tell me what you think I should do with that fishing cart. What else I should do? I know of a lot of things that can be done to it, so I'm going to do that. Some of them. But let me know what you guys all think. And thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. Thank you.